Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, I'm going to introduce a new product, the Holybro Pixhawk 6X Pro. The Pixhawk 6X Pro measures 3.18 centimeters in length, 3.01 centimeters in width, and 3.88 centimeters in height. It weighs 50 grams for a single module, about the weight of an egg. The Pixhawk 6X Pro follows the Pixhawk Autopilot Bus community-driven open standard. This allows users to use the Pixhawk on a PAB-compliant carrier board or chassis. They can also use carrier boards produced by Holybro or customized carrier boards, such as the Mini Baseboard, Standard Baseboard, Raspberry Pi CM4 Baseboard, and Pixhawk Jetson Baseboard. It is equipped with an STM32H753 processor, a 32-bit Arm Cortex M7 processor core based on the Arm7E/M architecture, providing the best performance in the Cortex-M series, running up to 480 MHz, with 2 MB flash memory, 1 MB RAM, and a high-performance ADAS 16470 industrial IMU. The accelerometer has a high dynamic range, making it ideal for precise motion sensing in demanding drone applications. It features triple redundant IMUs and dual redundant barometers, using new advanced and durable vibration isolation materials with a higher resonant frequency. It is an ideal choice for industrial and commercial drone applications and supports Ethernet interfaces. On its left side, there is a storage slot and an SD card. On the bottom, there are two slots for connecting the baseboard, called bus connectors. The models of the two ports are 100-pin Hirose DF40 and 50-pin Hirose DF40. Here is the installation demonstration of standard baseboard and Pixhawk Jetson baseboard with 6X Pro. In addition to the Pixhawk 6X Pro, the box also contains matching screws and spare shock-absorbing sleeves. The flight controller already has an assembled shock-absorbing sleeve. There are 4 screws in total, used to install the flight controller on the carrier board. The 2 spare shock-absorbing sleeves are made of silicone material, making the flight controller more stable during use. To use the shock-absorbing sleeves, you need to disassemble the flight controller and install them inside. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about new products, please remember to follow us.